Hi guys, and welcome to this quick Java tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to read the arguments that you can write when running your Java program. So instead of entering the circle and the rectangle as a choice that as we've seen in our previous videos, we're going to actually take whether the circle or the rectangle as an argument sent to us when running our program. So what I'm gonna want to do now is actually delete this line right here and delete this choice right here, and then I'm gonna send it as an argument. So it's gonna be in this string array args. So the first argument is going to be whether circle or rectangle. So this is what I'm gonna actually check for. So in this if condition, instead of checking for the choice, I'm gonna check for args of 0. Alright, so if args of 0 is equal to circle, you might notice that this is actually how it's done. It's equal circle. But when dealing with strings in Java, the equal operator is not the correct operator that you have to use. There's actually a string function that is called equals that you should be using. Alright, so I'm gonna delete this, and args of 0 dot equals, right, and then I'm gonna give to this function our circle string. So if we sent an argument which is circle, then we want to calculate the area of our circle, right? Else if args of 0 dot equals rectangle, then we want to calculate the area of the rectangle, right? Else then we're just gonna print you entered an invalid choice, right? Okay, so that's it for our Java code. Let's move on to the folder of our Java file. So right click on our test Java file, and then we just want to go to the show in System Explorer, and we're gonna hold the shift button, right click, and open the PowerShell window or the CMD as we've seen in our previous tutorial. And we're gonna also write in here Java C to compile our Java file, *java, then hit the enter button, and then what we're gonna want to do next is actually run our test class. So we're gonna type Java and then test, right? Then we're gonna type a space and enter our arguments. So our argument in the first case is gonna be circle for a circle. So we're gonna type in here circle, right, and click enter. Then it's gonna ask us for the radius, so I'm gonna type in here 2.4. Here we go, this is the area. If we rerun our program but type in here rectangle, alright, hit the enter button, then we're gonna enter the length, which is 3, and the width, which is 6, then we get the area. If we enter, for example, a square, which is an invalid choice, then we're gonna have you enter an invalid choice. So that's it guys for this tutorial, and see you in the next one.